Hello everyone. Today what we're gonna learn is Pythagorean theorems. Oh, don't be worried about the topic. I'm gonna explain to you what I mean. It's very easy, okay? Pythagorean theorem is talks about this triangle, but this one is quite special. We call right triangle. Right triangle, okay? With the right angle. So me this one so this corner is equal 90 degree, okay, and we have three lines. This one's supposed to be C, A, and B, okay. This is the longest line. C is called the opposite right angle, or we know that hypotenuse. And if we give the square to all three lines, the equation we can create here is c square equal a square plus b square. So remember this. Okay, don't be confused. We're gonna learn together and I'm gonna give you the problems and you will understand what that this one means. Okay? Right? So suppose we have here right triangle. This line is 24 and this line is 7 and this line we not know and they call it C. Okay? So according to this equation, we're gonna write the new equation here. C square equal 24 square plus 7 square. Okay. So 24 square equal 576. 7 square equal 49. So we sum up. C square equal 625. Right. And now we know this. So and now we take the square root to this side, both sides here. And now we got C equal 25. So this C is equal to 25 in this size. Right? Okay. We will try one more problem. I hope you guys relax. Okay. I give the longest line is 13. And one of these I give 5. And this line is unknown. Okay. So we write the same with this equation. So 13 square equal 5 square plus b square. 13 square is 169 equal 5 square 25 plus b square. So now we move 25. 169 minus 25 equal b square. So we take the square roots to both sides. Oh, okay. This side is equal 144, right? So b square equal 12 here, right? So now we're gonna prove is the right triangle or not. I will give you 3 sides you already know, okay? This side, the longest side is 10, and the rest is 6 and 8, okay? We write the same equation here. 10 square equals 6 square plus 8 square. So 10 square is 100 equals 6 square is 36 plus 8 square is 64. So we sum up together. 100 equal 100. Okay. So now this is the right triangle. Okay. Thank you.